So, January 4th, next day of my adventure. And can you see this? Jesus! At the moment, it's snowing. Full of snow, it's windy. Just take a look. Ooh. It's really difficult to walk. I'm about 50 kilometers from Calgary. Only 50 kilometers. Very soon I'll have some beer, some sushi, and it would be really nice. That's my card, and that's the walk with me on the prairies. Jesus, it's cold. I have my basically everything from Brubeck on me. You can see. But it's crazy. This is the best adventure ever. Only 20 kilometers to go, and it's a good fun. I don't know if I'm gonna record any more movies because my battery is extremely low. It was frozen this night, so you know. See you tomorrow. I'll be in Calgary and it would be really nice. Wow, it's windy, it's crazy, and snow. Yes! Jesus! I'm walking on a highway in a snowstorm. What the hell? Oh my god! The visibility is extremely low. I will finish as soon as possible because you know it's almost 7 p.m. and safety is a priority. Just take a look. You have snow. You know it's above 0 degrees, so it's melting. But the snowstorm and everything, it's huge. Ah! Jesus! Jesus! Jesus Christ! It's windy, it's snowing, but it's great. The best adventure ever. Because you know, you have to work for your success. If it's too easy, you know, you don't respect it. Okay, that's the last video probably because I need to hide and you know, see you guys.